Welcome to the SlideShow Digital Signage App tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the different scheduling options available for playlists and screen layouts. As our first example, we'll set up an open and closed sign that changes automatically based on the opening hours of a sample shop. Just like in the previous tutorials, we'll upload the images and create content for both the open and closed signs. Next, we'll open the Screen Layout menu, edit the active layout, double-click the main zone, and select Playlist Schedules for zone. The default playlist will be closed. We'll then add a new schedule entry for open with a higher priority, active from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. After saving, we can visually verify the schedule. A few moments later, the playlist reloads automatically, and, since the current time is around 10:43 a.m., the open sign is displayed. If you'd like to test a playlist that isn't currently scheduled, you can activate it manually from the Playlists menu by selecting Play in Main Zone. When you're finished testing, remember to switch back to the scheduled playlist through the dashboard. Now let's move from playlist scheduling to layout scheduling. We'll add a sample layout called with scrolling RSS feed so that we have multiple layouts available for testing. Since we want this layout to be used during opening hours, we'll change the playlist in the main zone to open. Using the Screen Layout Schedule button, we can configure layout schedules in much the same way as playlist schedules. We'll schedule the new layout for weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and leave the default layout assigned to the lower priority schedule. You'll also notice a special screen power off entry, which can turn off the device's display on supported hardware. Before using this feature, test it through Menu Settings, Screen Power, as support varies by device. If you're using an interactive device with a touchscreen, mouse, or keyboard, you can also use a layout as a screensaver. For this example, we'll use the With Large Time layout. After adding it, we'll remove it from the schedule, then open the screensaver settings and configure it to activate after 1 minute of inactivity. When we click on the device's screen with a mouse, the screensaver is dismissed and the normal layout schedule resumes. After 1 minute without user activity, the screensaver layout automatically appears again and can be dismissed with another click. Another way to switch between layouts is by using screen layout intervals. First, we'll disable the screensaver and enable the Use Screen Layout Intervals option in device settings. Once enabled, a new interval field becomes available for each layout. If we set the interval to 0.1 minutes or 6 seconds, the app will automatically cycle through the configured layouts approximately every 6 seconds. If screen layout intervals are enabled, they take precedence over the regular layout schedule. SlideShow is free for both personal and commercial use. To learn more or download the app, visit slideshow.digital. Thank you for watching.